Good afternoon. This is Pastor Elias Vasquez, First Christian Church, Alice, Texas. And today I'd like to meditate with you on miracles. The miracle that Jesus performed of turning water into wine. In John chapter 2, verses 1 through 11, John relates to us that there's a wedding in Cana in Galilee. And Jesus is invited. And while he's there, those weddings used to last about a week. They're running out of wine. And his mother tells him, do something, son. And he says, it's not my time. What do you want me to do? But anyway, he goes about and tells the servants, there's 6 jars of water, 20, 30 gallons, empty. And he tells the servants, go fill them with water. They do that. See, we have to do what Jesus asks us to do, to obey him. So they get the water, and when they get it, he said, show it to the master of the feast. They go and do that, and he tastes what was water turned into wine, and he calls the bridegroom over and says, say, everybody serves a choice wine at the beginning of the feast, and then when people get drunk, they've drunk a lot, then he gives them the other wine, the cheaper wine. He said, but you have saved the best for last. So what the story tells us is that there has to be a need in our lives, and there are needs every day. And we have to invite Jesus, like these people invited Jesus to the wedding. Invite Jesus into our life, let him know about the problem, and then trust him. And he will turn, like he turned that water into wine, he'll turn a miracle in your life, and whatever your need is, it will be fulfilled. And he will perform a miracle and turn out the darkness out of your life, the anger into love, the bad things happening, whatever, if it's an illness of mind or body, or anything going on in your life that is negative, invite Jesus in and then give the problem to him, and he will turn that darkness into light. A life with Jesus is the best life you can live. Just as that water became the best wine ever, you can have the greatest life ever if you turn your life to Jesus. We'll see you at church on Sunday. God bless you.